Hey, Toy Freddy, how's it going? Yeah, I'm so glad you hired me to work at the second location. You know how long I waited to be there? Golden Freddy did fire me from the first location, though, so you could hire me here, though. Yeah, I can't wait to have a great time making some Shamrock treats for you. Thanks, Toy Freddy. Elephant Ninja Cooking! Having a great life with family and friends is hard. Not being able to cook makes this life even harder. My name is Christopher Brock, and welcome back to Cooking with the Elephant Ninja. How's it going, guys? Welcome to Elephant Ninja Cooking. I'm your host, Christopher Brock, and today, for the holiday St. Patrick's Day, we're making some Shamrock treats. Of course, because leprechauns really love these treats. Perfect for the trap. Okay, here we are. The original treat by Rice Krispies. This classic, delicious snack has been making memories for kids and parents alike for generations. Okay. Ingredients: 6 cups of Kellogg's Rice Krispies cereal. Why'd I say Reese? 3 tablespoons butter, 1 package, and about 10 ounces of about 40 Jet Puffed marshmallows, or 4 cups of Jet Puffed miniature marshmallows. Nice, man. I hope Stay Puft gets added as well for a Ghostbusters edition. Okay, directions. So, of course, melt the butter over low heat. Let's see, add Kellogg's Rice Krispies cereal, and use a buttered spatula. Nice. That's pretty good. Of course, we're also gonna make this like St. Patrick's Day by making the treat turn green. Are you ready for that? Well, I don't know why, guys, but the Rice Krispies treats, I'm feeling pretty good about this one, because, man, do we have 400 subscribers teaching me how to cook. That is just nice. Like, just tell me what I need to do, and if I'm doing a good job, that's pretty much when you say, GG, CJ, GG. Pretty much like I'm Corey Kenton, because we're both making, cooking shows. If you, he inspired me to do this. Of course, don't forget to, like and subscribe. Samurai, slice his like button, because who doesn't want to, right? Okay, guys, looks like now we gotta put some butter in the bowl. Oh, you're not seeing it, are you? Come on. Let's do this. Let's put the butter in the bowl. Sorry if it's very cringy, but here we go.
Really?
Come on, gotta put that in. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Adding in some more. Sorry if you can't see that, but there we go. Oh!
Okay, that's good.
That looks pretty good so far. Okay, guys, looks like we're adding our marshmallows into the pot to melt the butter. How nice is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is so nice.
Stir a little bit. Stir it in.
Yep, gotta stir that in, yeah.
We're never gonna finish it. Here we don't go.
Ah, that dance though.
Alright, good.
That is so good.
Okay, Wesley.
Gotti.
What'd you say?
I said Gotti.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's do 4.
Johnny. Yeah, that's a funny.
Yeah, let's do this, Wesley. Here we go. He's adding some marshmallows. 5, 6, and 7, 8.
Let's keep them open.
Okay, he's got 8 marshmallows. Wait, you gotta stir it. You gotta stir
Yeah,
it.
you gotta stir it, Wesley.
Yeah, you gotta stir it, Wesley. I'm sorry. I forgot to tell you that before you walked off. Right, let's see what happens when you stir it. Wow, that looks so good. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That looks so good, man. Yeah, it's weird you're not seeing all of it, but that's a pretty good angle.
Thank you.
Yeah, that is so good. Okay, now let's see Alex do this.
Quattro marshmallow.
Okay, let's count 4 more marshmallows. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12.
Quattro is 4.
Oh.
12, yeah, there we go.
You mean that's 14.
Never see a
You
paper.
think?
No, that was 12. 4, 8, 12. That's how many we have in there right now. That was right.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good.
Thank you. James.
Okay, we're doing pretty good. Come on, James, you can do this.
4.
Okay, let's count 4 more. 13, 14, 15, 16.
Yep.
Yeah, doing pretty good. Yep. Yep, if we do the math, I guess we're gonna put in 28.
Marshmallow gun. Made out of PVC pipe. Stick a little mini marshmallow.
Yeah, that is so cool.
Blow it at people and it like. So fun.
Kinda like spitballs, oh my gosh.
Except it's not, at least it's not as gross. Okay.
Yeah,
Orange.
of course.
Did you already go? Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah, Torrance already went.
Oh, I already just win.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Eric.
Come on, Eric.
Did not. Okay, CJ.
Okay, let's do this. So, of course, we gotta add some marshmallows ourselves. Yep, here they are. So, we gotta put them in the pot. So, gonna count some more. How many did we do? 17, 18, 19, and 20.
Awesome.
Yeah, there we go. Now to stir it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Look at this camera action. Man, I'm doing so good. 20 marshmallows in here. And somebody's phone's going off right now. Just gotta keep stirring and ignoring that for copyright.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Yay! Alright, time for Eric to do this.
Are you excited about making our Christmas today? I can't see you.
Okay. 24. 21, 22, 23, and 24. Man, this is so good.
Alright.
Definitely enjoying it. Okay, Jada's our last one to stir in these marshmallows.
Yes.
Yep, if she has a YouTube channel, everybody clap up for her.
I will do my 4.
Oh, so we're doing 32 as well. 32 marshmallows.
At the same time, Horace. It's what makes it taste sweeter.
Oh my gosh, dancing?
Okay.
I like that.
Alright. Your
How many
turn.
do I use?
You're going to put them all in. But he's counting, so you might want to do them by 4s.
Okay, so 29, 28, let's see, 29, 30, 31, 32,
Okay.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay. Wait, was that actually 41 in the bag?
Yeah. There was one extra.
Oh, okay. 41 marshmallows. That was epic, dude. Man, this is a pretty long part. Sorry, guys, but I'm sure now that this is successfully stirred, we're about to get into the cereal. Okay, guys, sorry if this is an awkward angle, but let's go ahead and add some cereal. The ingredients said we needed 6 cups, so let's add these.
Alright. Next.
Oh, we got 2 cups already. Let's get it. Okay, the measuring cups were just too great, so I decided to add 2. This first one, Purex, that holds 2 cups, and the other one that doesn't have a brand, that holds up to 4. Okay, guys, while we wait for the butter to melt, let's go ahead and put this on a commercial break. Are you looking for some endless protein where the meat doesn't have to come from an animal? Well, look no further, cause eggs are made from a chicken. And are made of protein. Incredible, right? Now go ahead and buy yourself some egg-laying chickens today. Okay guys, we're back from the commercial break. And as you can see, this stuff has been firmly melted. Okay, it looks like we're adding our Rice Krispies treats. There we go. Wow, that looks a lot like Raisin Bran, doesn't it? Wow, that is just awesome. Gonna add some more. Wow, we got a lot. Man, these treats are gonna be so good, ladies and gentlemen. I can definitely guarantee it. Okay, guys, looks like now we're gonna be stirring it all together and making them into treats. Okay.
You know,
This looks pretty good.
not plates, is it?
Okay. I guess we better start, let's see. I think James is about to start stirring, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, push the like button for him, because he's going to really like that. Obviously, because that's what they invented a like button for.
Is that a log powder?
Okay, we got a lot of stuff getting stirred today. Not gonna lie, but that does look a bit like stir fry or chicken feed. That looks so good.
Who's stirring next?
Oh man, it looks a lot like corn too.
Ask somebody else is stirring and then pass it around. Go ahead.
That is
We're gonna
awesome.
sprinkle.
Man, and I'm working at the second Freddy Fazbear's Pizza now, since Golden Freddy fired me from the first one. You saw in the last video. Yeah, Toy Freddy, I think I'm working for him and his friends now. So I'm pretty happy for that now. Because, wow, is Mango gonna be happy to see me once he does get me to work.
Dude.
Okay. That's a lot of food coloring we're sprinkling in.
Oh, I'm gonna mess up my
That looks
hand.
so good. Here we go, all this stuff is about to come down.
Sorry, I gotta move you over.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so
No,
good.
half of it. 'Cause I gotta do it this other one.
Yeah, here we go. Oh! That is a lot of treats that are gonna feed like 1,000,000 hungry children.
Amy.
So happy for that.
Yeah, let's do this one. And then we'll
Children, don't you worry. We're making these treats to save your lives. Of course, because millions of people need food everywhere. Especially in China.
Yeah, it looks like brown rice.
You like brown rice?
No, I like the regular
Looks a lot
rice.
like
It's white, the
Chinese
regular
rice.
Not
Okay,
brown
yellow
rice.
rice too.
I hate brown rice.
Oh my gosh,
You like
that
regular
is
rice?
so crazy.
What you eat regular rice with?
Yeah, especially in the
With something that-
especially in that church act now that I did before. Like twice, I think? Where there were some Vietnamese food packets and
like meatball.
African vegetables,
Meatballs.
Chinese rice, and Mongolian soy?
That's what your mom
Yeah.
cooked?
Mhm.
Oh my god.
But
That's
they
what I
just burn
remember.
it.
They burn meatballs.
Yes,
Alright.
totally burn it.
That looks so good, look at that, guys. Okay, we put some Rice Krispies treats in the freezer. Let's see how it looks.
We'll watch it in a
Oh, that looks pretty good so far. Looks kind of like some frozen Chinese food. What the heck? Well, guys, I think I've also heard of a, well, something Corey Kenton could do, which was to speak in Japanese, if you've seen his channel, which is pretty incredible. So I guess I'll give you that same Japanese skill that he's got. I could, say some sentences in Japanese. Okay. Konnichiwa. Watashi no name ha Koichi Tofa Broxa. Hanoshinderu. Subarashi. Watashi wa soe ga suki desu. That's pretty good, isn't it? Well, here it is, guys. The green genius that is. The Rice Krispie treat. St. Patrick's Day edition. Okay, that I put on the eating cam. Let's go ahead and do this.
Man, that's kind of cold.
Mmm.
Oh, I bet your mouth is frozen
Mmm.
off.
Yeah.
Mmm. Really cold, but also really tasty, man. Mmm.
We try to make it green.
This is so good, man.
Oh my god.
No,
Ah.
that did not work.
We we used all the green
Mm.
and that's as
It's
green as it got.
completely froze.
This is so good, dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, the color has to have something to bind to. Definitely science.
Sorry, I just couldn't stop eating it.
What is that? The dope mouth?
But I'm rating this Rice Krispie treat 5 out of 5, which is incredible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for giving my videos 400 subscribers. It's not at 500 yet, but it can be if you guys support it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys next time.
CJ.
Bye everybody!